Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Ajila here. So today's topic is how can you work in Dubai if you do not have a medical license or enough clinical experience. That is, I know many doctors do not meet the necessary clinical criteria to work in Dubai as a practitioner. We all know that to work in Dubai, we need that mandatory clinical experience to get the DHA license, and all healthcare professionals, be it doctors, be it dental doctors, nurses, allied healthcare professionals, Ayurveda doctors, everybody needs some clinical license, that is the DHA license or HAD or MOH, to work in UAE in any emirate. But what if you do not have that license? Can you work in Dubai? Yes, there are few options or job opportunities of high demand that can be used by doctors to work in Dubai or by any health professionals to work in Dubai. We're going to talk about that one by one. So let's go. Firstly is a medical insurance field. So in the field of medical insurance, doctors are taken up for the role of insurance analysts, and their job will be to analyze the data or do the insurance approvals and rejections. And this is a very important field because the whole healthcare system of Dubai works on insurance, and it is very, very important to have a health insurance in Dubai. And so is the process of insurance. It is doctors, clinicians who practice take down a case, they analyze the case, and then they send this to approval to the insurance for be it medical testing or medicines or any investigations. We have to get an insurance approval before proceeding for this, and this is done by another set of doctors who's working in the back end, analyze this data sent by the clinicians, and then they're going to give you approvals for that. Is any necessary information to be added on or to be removed or things like that. And this job is a very flexible job. You'll have a good timing, and you do not need a clinical license or a DHA license for this. But how can you work as a insurance doctor? You need to have a relevant qualification and work experience from your home country related to this field. And the pay scales for doctors in this field is around this. Now the second field is a medical coding field. Many of you would have heard about this field because this field is blooming currently. So if you have to work in Dubai in this field, you have to do an internationally accredited medical coding certification. So, but what is medical coding? This is a service where you change the medical data, be it prescriptions, analysis, and all this into standardized codes. So this is the process of medical coding. The third one and the most underrated one is healthcare management. I always talk about this, and the reason for this is because I've seen a lot of professionals working in very high positions who've took up this pathway. So to get into healthcare management role, what you have to do is, be it an MBBS doctor, be it a dental doctor, you can do a MBA in health administration, and then you can work as a medical superintendent or medical director. But you should also have relevant work experience in your home country before applying in Dubai. So why I always press on this role is because you are going to have a very flexible work routine, a proper job, a proper weekend off, and at the same time you are a person of authority and responsible to take care of the whole team of the hospital, and that's a very good position. And in Dubai, in this corporate world, if you are somebody in that role, you're highly recognized. So that's very important. And the next one is health informatics. So health informatics is a field that is getting into the zone now. So if you can get into it right now, this is your chance. Health informatics is a field where it uses the AI or computer to provide a better healthcare services. So it's basically a combination of technology with healthcare, and this is the future. So there are a lot of universities going to offer you a master's in this field, and it's of good scope in the current upcoming blooming health industry. So take a hold on that right now. So yeah, so these are the fields that are of good scope in Dubai or anywhere abroad for a doctor or a healthcare professional, and does not need a special healthcare license to work, and offers you good flexible work routine, and is also of high priority and gives you a good pay. So I hope this video is helping you, and stay tuned for more video. Until then, bye bye.